That nigga quit bitchin', I ball like a piston. Them diamonds go fishing, they might hurt your vision. 22 shots at his neck if you try me. Looking for me, pussy nigga, you found me. I keep real money makers around me. All my niggas gotta stack up the cheddar. All my niggas gotta get to the fetty. Pull up in the foreign like it's Andretti. Turn that pussy nigga, brain of spaghetti. This a Rover nigga, this not a Chevy. Keep a couple white bitches with me, had that nickname a Lil Debbie. Cause she whip the fucking pie, ayy. Bitch, don't you run in my spot, whoa. Bro had to remix the drop, whoa. I beat my case, fuck the cops.
Put me on the yacht. I was running from the cops. We were ride with the air beater. Trap, jumping out the beeper. Break the scale, fuck the 12. Drop a bird on the stove. Had to get it, God knows. Rich nigga, I was broke. Now I'm ballin' like a champ. Break a brick with a stamp. Them diamonds ain't shining, little nigga. The chopper hitchin', my shooter's official. Bought the chopper with a scope. That was hatin', I'm the GOAT. Bad bitch, roll the dope. Drop a baby in the throat.
Oh damn, I just might run for president. I ain't doing shows if it ain't dividends. Got a white bitch with a big booty boss with a guy, she so heaven sent. Damn, ain't it not just high rockin', yeah. Nigga run up, that's his arm, that's his leg, that's his head. Then that nigga dead. That's what happen when you talk to feds.
Pussy drippin', leave her leaking. I put that bitch in Chanel. I'm a fucking in designer. I'ma put it right behind. Better $250,000 a week. Ayy, you get on my can't sleep. Lean and crash the Maserati twice. You won't make this much one life.
Whoa, hey, whoa, damn. Lobo.